Dear students, last week I had taught you the chapter uh, Where is the Pink Whale? In that chapter, there is a story of a foolish king who had given 10,000 rupees a unknown person, and that's why the his ministers laughed at him, and that though and they felt that the king was a police person. They haven't they had sorry he had no any sense. He couldn't recognize the right person. So after that, today I will give you word meaning of these words, new words, which are came in this chapter. So first is court. The court means darbar. Nowadays it is used for judiciary complex, न्यायालय. कोर्ट means राजा का दरबार. बियर्ड दाढ़ी. एंग्री गुस्सा, eagerness. मिनिस्टर्स मंत्री, the person who helps to run the government. And the rupees, rupiah, money. Thief, chor. And kingdom, राज्य, answer, उत्तर. So these are the words, new words came in this chapter, and most of you know the meaning of this, so you will write down these word meanings and learn it carefully. After that, we will do the exercises which is given in the chapter, end of the chapter. First is fun with words. Try to find your WH sound words in the following crossword and write appropriate words under each picture given below. So in this working, in this exercise, you have to find out the words from this crossword puzzle, and write these words at the appropriate place. Like this is the picture of whale, so you have to find the where is written whale. Okay, and it is a picture white, color white, so you have to write down where, question mark, who, what, when. The question word, WH question word you have to find out, find and write here. And these are the two boys are whispering, so whisper. Here is the next one is whip, WHIP, whip. And here whistle, a man is blowing whistle, so whistle. Wheel, WHEELE, wheel. And next, in the next exercises, here is given a match the following sentences. So first there is a column A, the words given, and you have to match with the column B. The king is sitting in the court, and you will put the number when you go to the match this question in this column. No one has ever seen a pink whale. The minister makes a list of fools, and the king becomes very angry. And in this next section, who said to whom lines the story in this story. So first is, my lord, if you give me 10,000 rupees, I can get you a pink whale. So who said this line? So in the story, if you have remember, this sentence said to a short man who came in the court of King Kuber. And next one, do you think he is ever going to come back with the pink whale? So this is the sentence line sentence told by the minister to the king. And why is my name is on the list? So it is said by the king. And next, in the next section, there is a given question answer, so you have to do it. The first question is, who comes into the court of the king Kuber? So the the who, do you remember who has came? So a short man with a long white beard came into the court of the king Kuber. How much money does the man want? So the money wants 10,000 rupees from the king. And what can the man get for the king? So the man gets a pink veil for the king. And what happens when the king reads the list of fools? He became angry because his name was at the top of the list of fools. That's why he became angry. And so this is the answer. So I will give you written work also. Make sentences for the following words. So first is beard. So my father has black beard, and his beard is black. In this way you will do king. So the Sri Ram was a king of Ayodhya. Thief, police catches the thieves. No, police catch the thieves. And another way you can, Mohan is a thief. In this way you will do it. Pull. So don't, here is, and angry. You will do it yourself. If you will not, then I will compute the answers. So thank you. You will do all the works.